Today we are talking about the Olympics.
Yes, it's Olympics time.
Yes, and it's all about sports time, but today we are talking about how we're going to rebrand it.
Just to make it a little better and more enjoyable,
Yeah.
that's about it.
Let's make Olympics great again.
Yeah. So let's just get into the podcast.
What do you think of the Olympics? Now, of course, Olympics is the sports part of it.
Yeah.
But the origin-wise, where Olympics comes from,
Athens, right?
हाँ.
But I don't know the exact origin story.
ऐसा कुछ खास इंटेंस नहीं है. But the reason is that it's basically their version of a puja, bro.
हाँ क्या?
Because it's like Olympians, the gods are the
Correct,
Olympians.
yeah.
So basically, they're doing these games basically they're putting up their best in their sports, like वहाँ के जो whatever small 4-5 nations that were there, to see who will be the best. Correct, yes. And that is what you call in a way that games is for their gods.
Got it.
Right. Also, it was a way of like showing dominance over each other without fighting.
Makes sense, no?
Correct. So, but did you know that originally Olympics was only men were allowed to do it?
Not surprising. I mean, like almost everything in the world.
So,
not surprising.
So basically, there were all these events like boxing, running, wrestling, ऐसा रहने it was only men.
Correct.
Secondly, you had to be naked.
What? Seriously?
Yeah. So all Olympic events had to be done naked, and in the stadium and all, no women were allowed because all the men are naked.
Correct.
So naturally, what happened? There were insane instances of women dressing up as men to come to watch the Olympics.
That's so nice.
Now the point is, of course, bro, as if Athenian women will be like, "Ooh, the hottest guys from the
Makes sense.
empire are coming to freaking
देखना तो
wrestle."
पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
देखना तो पड़ेगा.
हाँ. So dude, so insane tha. So basically, they had to put like extra. The point is, the stories are like pretty insane. कि इतना ज़्यादा हो गया, they had to put out like कि guys don't
Please don't do this.
this करके.
Insane.
But to be honest, I mean if ऐसा to naked guys, mud wrestling, super ऐसा.
लोग तो जाएंगे यार देखने को. 100% देखेंगे. Human nature, come on, man.
Girls are like, yeah.
Man.
Yeah, I mean, once in 4 years this event happens.
That's true. Once in 4 years.
Yeah. So that's where like even like these stories started. Like so basically Olympics का event का origin point वो है. Also, did you know that initially for the longest time Olympics was very elitist?
Yeah.
In the sense that only amateur players were allowed. You know what that means?
Only amateur players.
Do you
That
know?
means not amateur. मतलब the guys who are not like proficient in the sports.
No. So the point is, you could only participate in the Olympics if you're not making money off the sport.
Oh.
So basically,
got it. So
so-
if you don't have like a motive and you're just
No.
only true to the sport,
correct. Basically, when they said amateur, it meant you were not professional.
professional, not doing it for
So
money.
that's why it had like, so initially it had like a very elitist connotation. Then later they were like, okay, professional sports people can
are
participate.
allowed. Yeah.
So earlier it only used to be basically royal family ke log.
Correct.
And as a upper
the
class.
people who could afford it basically too.
Which is why they put that ruling to begin with. Ki nahi, we don't want to dilute the spirit of the Olympics by making it like quote unquote professional.
That makes sense.
So back in the day वैसा था.
अजीब है ये सब मतलब the origin. Actually, every Olympics has like some weird shit that always happens. Like not every, but कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही रहता है.
No, my point is Olympics as a concept only, that when you have all these people come and play sports, will have some what do you call interesting stuff go down. Because
Correct.
sports के साथ कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही.
100%. There's always drama.
So yeah, so for me what's interesting is to see कि when Olympics started, like how I don't know, like uska origin versus what it has become today. Like today it symbolizes a lot of I would say positive things, right?
Yeah.
But I'm saying initially it was just like a I don't know, way of like for nations and people to prove
Who's better?
Who's better?
Without
अभी
war,
वैसे ही है,
without
to be
killing people.
अभी भी वैसा ही है, to be honest.
Actually, USA China वही करता है.
हाँ, now
For them, it's that important only who wins the Olympics.
Correct,
And it's
हाँ.
crazy.
my point is, suppose some random nation won the Olympics, it would be a worldwide scandal, I think. नहीं सोचना.
Actually, yeah. People बहुत protest होगा.
नहीं लोग सोचेंगे क्या हो गया? Like everybody will be upset. Like you know what I mean? Like countries will like have to
But
change
actually,
agendas.
I don't think that I agree to that because in sport, see, keeping the political side aside of like winning वगैरह, there'll be a lot of people celebrating that victory as well because sports
I know. So I'm
sports
saying- but I'm
fans
saying-
love an underdog story.
But वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. The point is, as much as it'll be like an underdog story, everybody else will be like, how you won?
That's true. I see. Just for context, right? So for the Tokyo Olympics, I just checked these numbers yesterday. USA is sending 638 athletes.
Wow.
Okay. China is sending some 480 something, right? In comparison, India is sending around 250.
Got it.
So like full out and out. Like USA तो ऐसे जाता ही है कि we'll maximize our chances for medals and then medal tally में we'll win kinds.
Correct.
हमेशा का वैसे रहता है.
Basically, they are participating in every sport.
Yeah, USA and China both are participating in every sport. Oh, by the way, talking about every sport, this time skateboarding is a part of Olympics.
Correct.
Which I'm really looking forward to. Like, because the skate park and all also looks damn nice. We'll actually put up a photo if we find one. The skate park and all looks damn nice.
Sweet.
Of this thing.
So I feel that's also been a cool thing, right? How the Olympics has evolved over time. Ki you get to see weird shit,
Yeah.
like a newer sport joining it. I don't know why I said weird shit. But I just feel
Weird
like,
shit you do see, yeah. We'll
like,
get
I mean-
into those stories.
Yeah, ki in the sense ki how what do you call over time newer sports have been added as the time progresses.
See, because of the pandemic now, virtual sports are a part of Olympics.
Really?
Like, yeah, people can. There's a racing game called Gran Turismo, and that's actually become a part of the Olympic sport. Like, people can sit at home and participate in the Olympics. They have to qualify, obviously, and once they qualify, then घर से virtual tournament में हो रहा है.
So do you get an actual Olympic medal?
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
It's an actual Olympic sport.
Wow.
Yeah.
A new age, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Imagine if there's like a PUBG gold medal.
I don't think that's far. I think होगा वो कभी ना कभी तो होगा.
लेकिन मैं सोच रहा PUBG गोल्ड मेडल होगा. I wonder if India will win. क्योंकि बहुत ऐसा
Actually बहुत है dude. Chance तो बहुत है.
नहीं लोग तो खेल रहे हैं.
हाँ.
My point is, but are Indian gamers still as good as Chinese or South Koreans,
That's-
Japanese?
I
Like अभी
don't know.
खुद में तो मास करने में easy है. बाहर जाके गेमिंग में पता चलेगा ना. Because
actually.
we'll only come to know once we are up against the best.
Correct, that's true. That
Yeah.
it might be difficult, yeah.
हाँ.
But I see esports becoming a part of Olympics soon because the sport itself, esports भी अभी चले पहले अभी now it's becoming professional.
Correct.
Now there are legit tournaments. Now there are legit like what do you say unions to say like there is a structure to that whole system.
Correct.
All of that. So it's just about time. Because what happened with skateboarding पहले people used to do in the park, then X Games happened.
Correct.
And then skateboarding became famous all around the world. And now it's a part of Olympics. And same thing is happening with breakdancing. From 2024, I think that's happening in Paris.
Okay.
Those Olympics. But breakdancing is going to be a part of the Olympics.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. So
Wow.
that's something to look forward to actually.
Nice.
That's crazy.
So also I feel Olympics has always been one of those things like how all countries want to host the Olympics. So like it's one of
Yeah,
how much infrastructure gets built just for the Olympics.
Yeah.
I think now we need a more a global approach to Olympics. Because मुझे कैसा क्या लगता है कि that era, because I feel even people are getting fried because every time there's Olympics, right? Even people are like, bro, जिस country ने भी host किया है, they spend so much money. And the people of the country are like, bro, do we really need to spend so much
That's true.
on just a event? See, because back in the day when we had like full as a nationalistic fervor and we're like, yeah, हमारा देश करके दिखाएगा.
Correct.
At that time it was all about showing off. But now as we are reaching a new stage, I feel Olympics should be like a global event. Like it should not be कि सारा burden is shared and
Put on one country.
हाँ मतलब I feel also it will be more in line with the whole fact कि it is a
Sport for all.
correct like how
Like basically,
like
yeah.
like you have like how you have like races across the
See,
planet, right?
But I feel that they don't do. I feel the reason that it is based in one country is because of like basic logistics. It makes sense for all the athletes to stay near the venue so that they are not exhausted वगैरह because football tournaments सब होता है, right? So football tournaments also usually happen like these big ones happen in one country because it's easier for players. It's not strenuous for them. But like you said, I feel there should be the Olympic committee themselves should help the host nation because right now it's पूरा host nation पे burden
नहीं,
कि तुम
but
खर्चा
what I
करो
was-
ना
see, I get your point logistically, but that is if you're saying for one sport now. Like if I spread this one sport in one
हाँ
place,
वैसे
हाँ तो why will that be a logistical line?
that won't be then yeah.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ you can have one sport in one place.
Wow, then that would be a broadcasting nightmare because timings match करने पड़ेंगे फिर.
हाँ but एक साथ it can be a year long thing. My point is
वैसे year long thing. Got it.
my point is why should one country have to bear the full, because I feel Olympics में ना क्या होता है कि every time Olympics there's corruption, this that. It's basically बहुत लोग पैसा कमाते हैं and the show is the athletes.
Correct.
And हमेशा the whatever country has done it and after
They
a while
suffer.
you'll see videos of the Olympic के जो भी infrastructure बना है just rotting.
That's
like
true.
अभी कहाँ पे साओ पाउलो में हुआ था?
हाँ, Brazil वाला those pictures are doing rounds. That
Correct.
They spent so much money on that Olympic facility. Now it's rotting because nobody is using it.
Correct. Not just that. It's just they do not like Olympic Village का क्या करोगे तुम?
हाँ, correct. उसका तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ, Olympic Village का क्या करोगे? Like you made a huge Olympic Village to host all these people.
That's
now what do you do with that village? My point is you should have a plan at least. You know,
some backup plan.
हाँ, otherwise be like this is Olympic Village and moment the Olympians go, it has now become I don't know, residential complex.
No, Russia. I'll tell you what Russia did.
What they do?
So Russia, they made the Olympic Village in Sochi, and they made an F1 track around it.
अच्छा.
So the Olympics हो गया.
हाँ.
Abhi F1 happens in that Olympic ring. So because of F1, the infrastructure is still maintained because teams come, they stay there.
Correct.
So that was their backup plan.
But,
so every year that thing.
But I'm
goes
saying
on.
so. But my Sochi was just like a smaller event. It was
Yeah.
Winter Olympics.
Yeah. Sochi was Winter Olympics.
Correct. But my point is, in a big case like this,
In summer में तो
हाँ तो
हट गया.
मतलब no matter which sport you do, it's not going to occupy the whole Olympic village. No.
Correct.
Or it should be like I don't know, man. I feel it should be like as a temporary setup or whatever. इतना सारा
Container homes. Or something like
हाँ,
that.
क्यों नहीं?
Makes sense, no?
हाँ ऐसा. Dude, अगर Burning Man बन सकता है. Do you know what Burning Man is? Burning Man is like is this crazy party where they build a city. Actually,
Yeah.
you know, it is visible from space. We put an image up. You know, have you seen?
Yeah. In the middle of
Dude,
the desert,
I think,
they do that.
Here's what I propose. Actually, I think Olympics should be like Burning Man. You know, Burning Man का क्या philosophy है? You come, build a city, and you take everything away.
Yes.
You don't leave any wastage. So I feel Olympics should be like Burning Man.
Wow.
The Olympic, you know what?
That makes sense.
As a matter of fact, the Olympic committee should find a way कि हम सब कुछ ऐसा बहुत सारे ships लेके आएगा. We'll set the whole village up. You know what? At least the village, Olympic village, should be like Burning Man.
Like Burning Man. Makes sense.
हाँ,
Temporary
कि तुम
housing.
आओ, हाँ कि तुम आओ, and you know what, each country should be responsible for their own Burning Man का this thing. So like USA can show off or whatever, you know. Like people are not like कि and the responsibility is not on the host country कि सबको fit करना पड़ेगा. You know, the Indian side will have like its own kitchens and shit.
Yeah,
हवा शवा शट
makes
कर
sense.
मजा आएगा. Hey,
Custom कर सकते फिर तुम. Like you can actually make those container homes as per what the athletes wanted. Like there is just many opportunities. It's sustainable also.
Yeah, exactly, and reusable, no? Because another point is, next Olympics वही जाएगा.
हाँ, correct. Same things will go, no? Because you have that set. Every country has their own
No,
set
actually,
of
not to
things.
think about. I didn't think about it, but I think the Olympics should follow the Burning Man wala philosophy.
That's it. That's the point of this podcast. We found it.
Yeah.
Olympics.
Why
should be
Olympics?
Burning Man.
Why Olympics should be like Burning Man?
Like Burning Man.
And
Makes
here,
sense.
here are all our points for it. You know कि dude,
Yeah.
as a matter of fact, ऐसा सोचना. अभी सोच even for the events and everything. Now it can it can be a moving festival. People will be more invested.
It'll be like a traveling circus sorts.
Yeah, sports.
Traveling sports circus, whatever. Dude,
Whoa.
you know what? If that happens, I feel second and third world countries can also easily set up Olympics.
Correct, yeah.
Because वो barrier नहीं कर रहा. Because अभी टोक्यो में हो रहा है, उसके बाद पेरिस में हो रहा है, फिर LA में हो रहा है.
Correct.
These are still countries that have to bid for the Olympics, right?
Correct.
And there are countries in Africa जो आके फोड़ देता है. Like Jamaica can host a fucking Olympics, and why not?
Wow.
Why would, dude? If Usain Bolt had done what he did in 2012
Correct.
in Jamaica, people would have fucking lost it. वो एक layer add हो जाता उसमें.
You know what? That's a great idea. See now I feel we've unlocked something very important. Fact of like how should Olympics be sustainable and also like a party.
Yeah.
Because
See,
I feel man, Olympics are taken way too seriously. It has to be more party, less serious. I mean, of course, I understand the competitive bit, but I feel, don't you think that वो लोग athletes को बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे pressure में रखते हैं? Like I feel everyone is feeling कि no, everyone has to behave a certain way. Like it should be like everybody pretends that it's a celebration of sports and all, but actually
not.
this like over competitive. I feel it should be the opposite. It should be like a party.
Yeah, party होना चाहिए.
हाँ, लोगों को chill करना चाहिए. And definitely anti-sex beds नहीं होना चाहिए. Like what?
Doesn't make
As
sense.
a matter of fact, love and peace, guys. ऐसा पूरा everybody.
Nice, we are now becoming Burning Man. हम लोग Woodstock में जा रहे हैं थोड़ा करके love and peace से.
अरे but Woodstock से Burning Man है ना.
Correct,
तो
yeah.
Burning Man is the evolution.
The core philosophy is Woodstock.
हाँ.
Nice.
So
हाँ.
वो philosophy में अभी हम sports add करेंगे ना. तो
Dude, it'll do really well. It'll honestly do
to be
really
honest,
well.
you can
See,
get, now imagine breakdancing, skateboarding in it. And
full on party.
You know, because now when I was thinking breakdance and skateboarding, I was just thinking ऐसे boring judges ऐसे बैठे हैं and these guys going and people just like scoring.
Man, you
know what I mean? now imagine like a cool setup.
Yeah, that's so funny. People in courts.
हाँ.
बैठ के skateboard कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
वहाँ पे.
ऐसा.
I want Tony Hawk to give the medal out. I don't know if that will happen, but Tony Hawk should be the one to give
Hey bro,
Olympic
at
medal
the
out.
moment it enters Olympics, no, there'll be like a camera measuring the angles. ऐसा टायर पे ऐसा वो पड़ेगा, वो सेंसर्स रहेंगे.
Yeah, this is one thing that really irritates me about sports is unnecessary stats. नहीं चाहिए, करने देना, फाइनल स्कोर आने दे, बस उतना. Unnecessary stats नहीं चाहिए. उसने ये एंगल पे ऐसा मारा, वो किया, नहीं चाहिए भाई. Nonsense. But you know what? I actually like the idea of a traveling sports circus. I feel Olympics should just accept it.
Yeah.
And,
Also it'll take away, I feel, like I said, national burden चला जाएगा. Plus it'll be more international. Like for example, since it's a traveling thing, right? You can have, let's say, just track sports के लिए it can be in one country. For like say breakdance it can be in say Brazil. You know what I mean? Like just or then for like winter sports, like other sports can be somewhere else. You know, wherever. So basically, infrastructure burden gets spread across the planet.
Correct. Makes sense.
Right? And you'll have more fun having overall vibes.
हाँ वो मतलब that whole corruption angle and all that वो तो होगा, वो कभी जाने नहीं वाला, but it will be reduced थोड़ा. Like it opens up opportunities to a lot of people.
Correct. No, but I think Burning Man is the way.
Is the way to go. Yeah.
No, literally, dude, you should see the satellite images. Huge.
I have.
बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं bro.
It's insane.
अगर random party goers कर सकता है तो फिर
Olympics तो आराम से कर सकता है. आराम से.
Wow. What intense.
Actually, you know what? That will make the sport an interesting experience for the athletes as well as the spectators. Correct. Like who actually go and attend the sports, correct, right? Yeah. Who have the privilege to do that. करना है but कभी करे पता नहीं. Correct. But like that will also be fun. Like it'll be a more chill environment.
Correct. I feel इतना what do you call? There shouldn't be so much distance. So if the idea is to get people together. Then why should there be so many barriers in a place?
That's true. Actually, correct. I was reading about this and I really like the fact that Olympics has registered. So IOC का एक refugee team है.
Oh, okay.
So all the refugees that have gone to other countries and the athletes there, IOC has put like they've given them refugee status and they've made them one country.
Oh,
and
nice.
They are participating as a separate entity.
That's
but the
cool.
problem is the guy who's leading the team is now quarantined in Doha because he has COVID. That's the.
But at least.
But yeah, that's so positive, and that is again in the direction of like Burning Man and like, inclusivity and all that. That's.
You know, but I feel the reason things got like so fucked up is that I think now I think about it, I think I don't know if Olympics was, because I feel before there was a certain time before which Olympics was kind of chill. So do you know this story? So basically this is when Germany was as a Cold War चालू है. Germany still split as a East West में. So उसमें उनका एक marathon race चल रहा था, ठीक है, ऐसा West Germany, and there's this guy who's winning. Suddenly he sees somebody ऐसा साइड से निकलता है.
Okay.
And he's wearing the West
Germany
का uniform.
Jersey,
ठीक है. He's some rando bro. And आगे भागने लगता है bro.
ऐसा बीच में आया
वो. And this guy is horrified. He's like the actual winner bro. And because the crowd sees their own का uniform, so they start cheering like crazy. Finish line cross करता है, भागते रहता है, चले जाता है bro.
Dude, that is the best streaking episode ever.
Streak भी ऐसा करके चला गया. And this guy won, but that rando stole his moment.
Yeah. Wow. That's
rando guy. Nobody got that guy, bro.
I don't know if it's petty or just for the kicks of it, but that's just mean prank. That's very mean.
लेकिन भागते वो basically cross किया, and before anybody could realize who it is, भागते आगे
Cultish.
tunnel में जाके कल्टी bro.
Wow, dude, balls. But respect, ठीक है, किया तूने national stage पे किया, but very nice.
हाँ, चला
Dude,
गया वो।
that way पता, I don't remember which marathon this was.
Hey,
But-
for considering, I never really thought marathon would end up being कि marathon में इतना crazy shit
बहुत कुछ होता है marathon में. So I don't remember which marathon this was, but again, like someone randomly joined the race and it was a priest. In the full attire and वो बीच में ऐसे भाग रहा है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
2 मिनट ऐसा public confused कि क्या हो रहा है, and then the officials are, oh fuck ये, and then there is a video of him being tackled into the crowd saying क्या कर रहे इधर? So he was doing that. Apparently he was doing that to raise awareness that the end of the world is near.
So he ran in the.
He ran in the marathon.
You know what? I tell you what, ये marathon में इतना scene क्यों होता है? Because every other sport doesn't last as long.
Correct.
It doesn't have enough.
तुम 100 meters में 9 सेकंड में कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
But marathon is big enough for you to like sneak in, pull some shit. You know what I mean?
Correct.
Dude,
Lots of
so
opportunity.
I was going on Reddit, right? And the craziest story, and this is there, man. You can read it. I'm not even making this up. In 1904, the St. Louis Olympics. Now 1904 में बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. USA बहुत racist था, and they didn't even at that time they didn't think of athletes and humans as much. So dude, the guy organizing the race thought that marathon will be a great experiment to check the effects of dehydration on people.
Wait, what?
हाँ, experiment किया.
मैराथन के बीच में?
हाँ, तो उसने पानी रखा ही नहीं.
For everyone. It's not like he selected a subgroup. नहीं, सब प्यासे जाएंगे.
हाँ, मैराथन भाग रहा है तो उनको पानी नहीं देना है.
बाप रे.
सिर्फ ऐसा
मेरे को सुन के स्ट्रेस हो रही है.
12 माइल दिस थिंग और आगे 8 माइल दिस थिंग. और उनका जो अमेरिकन एथलीट था ना, जो एक्चुअली जीता, वो रास्ते में बोल रहा है कि प्लीज मुझे पानी दे दो. तो दे जस्ट डैब्ड हिज माउथ विद वार्म वाटर. It was supremely humid.
हाँ.
And the road was mega dusty. So इतना
That makes
dusty
it
था
worse.
that one of the top runners got so much dust that उसका hemorrhaging हो गया अंदर. उसको निकालना पड़ा. इतना dust से hemorrhaging हो गया. दूसरा जो विनर है वो भाग नहीं पा रहा था, तो उसको so there's this chemical called saccharine or something like that, which is essentially rat poison.
Yeah, it's rat poison.
हाँ, तो उसको तो rat poison also in like smaller doses apparently is a performance enhancing drug. Plus in 1904 there was no law.
हाँ, तभी तो किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता था.
हाँ, मतलब at that time Coca-Cola had cocaine in it. I'm just saying. We are talking about that.
Good times, good times.
तो तब तो उसने वो लिया, तो वो भाग रहा है, ठीक है. आगे एक बंदा था,
हाँ.
ऐसा एक मस्त क्यूबन बंदा था जो ऐसा मस्त अच्छे मूड में भाग रहा था.
Cuban,
but
nice.
he had, so basically the story is he had what do you call, gathered money all first running in Cuba to get enough money to
fundraising किया उसने basically.
हाँ, फिर उधर पहुंचा, बाहर में गया, गैम्बल करके सब घुमा दिया. तो फिर नेक्स्ट डे किसी और का बूट सूट चोरी करके भाग रहा है. फिर रास्ते में ऐसा थक जाता है, तो वहाँ पे कुछ लोग थे, बोलता है उनसे कि कैन आई हैव सम पीचेस.
ये मैराथन में पिकनिक है क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे?
सुनना, वो लोग पीचेस नहीं देते, उनको पीसेस चुरा के भागने लगता है. ऐसा and plus there were 2 South African runners, right? And this was the first time, like maybe
South Africans in 1904.
correct. So they were like, so basically this was the first time they were like ऐसा black runners. And the reason they didn't get a good place is because they got chased off course by ऐसा dogs. So they had to like run away. ये सब real story है bro. I wish it was not. ये सब एक actual Olympics में हुआ. It was called the worst managed Olympics event in history.
Yeah, no shit.
हाँ.
कुत्ते भाग रहे हैं, रैट पॉइजन दिया जा रहा है.
उसमें से और जो one of the other American guys, right? वो रास्ते में आया, वो थक गया, नैप लिया, फिर बोला fuck it, मैं नहीं भाग रहा है. फिर गाड़ी लेके चला गया, कार लेके. वो स्टेडियम के पास वो कार खराब हो गया, तो उसने बोला fuck it, मैं इधर है, तो वो भाग के अंदर चला गया.
अरे एंट्रेंस
तो भाग के अंदर गया, और जब भाग के अंदर गया, पीपल ये तो विनर है, ये वो बोला हाँ. फिर उसके बाद ऑफिशियल था कि बोले इसको उतारो, तो गाड़ी से आया वो.
Damn dude, he's like चल ट्राई करके देखते ना.
नहीं, वो
What if we just get away with it?
what he says, he's like हाँ मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था, मुझे तो पता था. I just want to have a kick of it.
You can make a movie on this one race only. क्या कुछ नहीं हो रहा इसमें.
Dude, Olympics में I feel sports ना comes with narrative inbuilt.
Yeah, 100%.
तो किसी भी चीज पे तू करेगा ना, ऐसा you can do like an intense story.
100%.
And I feel Olympics is that kind of event only, man. So many people have tried for like सबका life का aim होता है.
Yeah,
to be
also
part of
because
Olympics.
because the frequency is like once in 4 years, so you maximum get like 3 opportunities.
Correct.
Because if you're 18, you get like 3, maximum 4 if you maintain your physical condition. So it is a big deal actually for a lot of people. And that way, the funniest story I found was that in the 1956 Sydney Olympics, right? So Olympics के पहले वो torch, they do the torch bearing, they make athletes run, right?
Correct.
So basically the torch is the actual Athens में जो पहला Olympics चलता था ना, उसमें एक torch जला था, fire जला था. That fire has to be transported to the nation. Like अभी वहाँ से
भागते लेके आते हैं.
so वहाँ से अभी टोक्यो आएगा, like their flame, right? So 1956 in Sydney, that the whole rally is there, the whole city is gathered because it's a matter of prestige, right? So like Sydney main circle mein people are waiting, the mayor is waiting, his security detail, everyone's ready, waiting silently, and suddenly they see one guy running, right, with a torch. So भाग रहा है, everyone cheering, ऐसा full क्या बात है, finally आ गया है वो. Then the mayor security detail is like, do you find something fishy with this torch? So this man, his name is Barry Larkin, okay? So Barry Larkin is running full ऐसा ये. He doesn't have a torch. He doesn't have the original torch. He just randomly streaked in. Okay.
Oh.
So what his ingenious torch, ये जो चेयर का पैर है ना, एक चेयर का पैर लिया, उसके ऊपर अंडरवेयर डाला,
उस जला दिया.
और उसको जलाया और भागा.
Oh fuck! And
In the middle of the city.
And actual guy is behind.
Actual guy किधर तो अभी भी भाग के आ रहा है.
Oh fuck!
So everyone like for 10 minutes everyone cheered. Then the bodyguard was like 1 minute कुछ तो गड़बड़ चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
चड्डी आप पे.
And I'm like sir respect, Barry Larkin sir respect, पूरे city को चूतिया बनाया तुमने.
But that's a very Australian thing to do. Like that's an Australian prank.
Yeah.
You know that I feel Australia as a country would approve of that prank. They would be like, haha, I like it.
क्या बात है.
Like दूसरे देश में it would be a problem, but this we would have been like, हाँ, I like it. Yeah.
So actually this guy was a medical student and next day when he went for his classes everybody gave him standing ovation. Like
Australia,
भाई
bro.
मैं भी देता था भाई, मैं तो 100% देता था.
Dude, कॉलेज में तो वो बंदा भगवान है bro.
Massive level respect, मतलब उसका ऐसा पोस्टर बनाएंगे कॉलेज में रखेंगे.
ऐसा फ्लेक्स प्रिंट होता था.
हार्दिक शुभेच्छा प्रँक साठी.
Barry भाऊ, happy birthday. So I feel dude, sports also get removed off the list. I don't think croquet is there.
Yeah. अरे कुछ भी था बीच में. There used to be floating was a sport by the way.
Sorry,
They used
what?
to, yeah.
How do you compare to floating? It's a Guinness World Record जैसा लग रहा है.
Dude, there was this thing, and उसमें भी sporting was also introduced in one of the Olympics that was happening in the US, and only American athletes took part in that.
Oh,
and they should just
gold लेने
float.
के लिए.
हाँ, they should just float. It was a strategy to increase the inflate medals. That's about it. Tug of war was an Olympic sport.
You know, tug of war I will watch.
I want it back.
Tug
But
of
tug of war में they should have this वो world strongest man रहता है ना, Atlas tournament, only those people should be allowed.
हाँ.
फिर मजा आएगा देखने में.
नहीं. See, do tug of war तो nation wide करेगा ना. I think countries will take it. Imagine a USA China tug of war. Ooh.
Intense drama.
Intense drama, bro.
Crazy.
Russia USA. India Pakistan tug of war देखेगा तो. Bro, मैं बोल रहा है इंडिया पाकिस्तान tug of war कौन नहीं देखेगा. You know what I think? You could start a dude जैसा भी प्रो कबड्डी है ना.
Tug of war कर सकते हैं. Yes.
प्रो टग ऑफ वॉर कर सकते हैं. लोग देखेंगे. मुझे मैं देखेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी डूड as people cut attention span is getting smaller, tug of war is perfect. Within a TikTok video में intense game finish.
My God, India Pakistan tug of war sounds really good.
है ना?
Really good.
Flip हो जाएंगे.
But yeah, so obviously these sports are like.
As a matter of fact, imagine India Pakistan tug of war for military personnel only.
ऐसा LOC पे करना चाहिए.
हाँ, LOC पे करना चाहिए.
जो भी इधर है prisoner of war.
Oh wow.
It's high stakes tug of war that is.
I feel we are basically इसलिए इसको tug of war because basically warrior. So that's it for like this podcast.
Yeah.
We had like a lot of fun. So let us know what you guys think about what's your Olympic experience. What do you look forward to when you're looking at Olympics?
What sports do you look forward to actually?
Correct, yeah. And do you agree Olympics should be like Burning Man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Of course, there are like many reasons why like practical reasons. Wow, I couldn't even do the quote. Practical reasons why people will be like, oh, it can't be burning. Remember, dil se bolo, dil se soch.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think?
Dream, be a dreamer.
Yes.
Yes.
And tell us your dream.
Yeah.
Also, if you were to get Olympic sport, which sport would it be?
Yeah. Which either medieval or modern do you want to be a part of Olympics?
Correct.
Actually,
Any sport.
Any sport.
Any sport. You tell us. You tell us. You decide.
What about Gotti? I would get Gotti. What would you get?
Cool. Don't forget to like,
Yes,
share, subscribe.
We have new episodes out every Friday and small bits of content throughout the week. So subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss it.